Hey everyone, great to see you again. Minimax just got a game-changing update that's revolutionizing AI, movies, and text-to-video creation. I'm blown away by it, and I'm confident you're going to love it too. It's absolutely incredible. Make sure to watch this video till the end because you'll learn many important things, like how Minimax is now beating top text-to-video tools like Luma AI and Runway ML. I can confidently say this: if you're looking to create AI movies or cartoon videos, Minimax is hands down one of the best options out there. I'm not saying this because I have a partnership with Minimax. I'm saying it because the recent update has made Minimax outshine all other AI video generators out there. Don't just take my word for it, watch this video and see for yourself. In this example, I started with an image of a woman and used the prompt, camera rotating around the woman at speed while she remains still. Did you notice how perfectly Minimax followed the prompt in this example? Not only that, but it also kept the character in the image completely consistent. Now, while this might seem like a basic animation, achieving this level of accuracy isn't easy for AI. Most image-to-video models fail to maintain character consistency in animations where the face and body change frame by frame. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And guess what? But the story doesn't end here. There's much more ahead. Keep watching. Let's check out this second example. We started with this image and animated it using the prompt, girl in a red dress waves her hand while others keep crying. Now, watch the video and see how perfectly Minimax nailed the prompt. It accurately identified the girl in the red dress and even captured the sadness in the other girls, just as described. The animation is spot on. Although the girl's hand movement isn't perfectly animated, I believe this can easily be fixed by retrying or tweaking the reference image. Now let's move on to the third example, where I've got two videos to share with you. These can be a game changer for anyone looking to create health and fitness content. Here's what I did. I generated both images using AI and added prompts specifying which exercise animation to include. For example, in the first video, I used the prompt, reverse crunch exercise, and in the second I mentioned, push-up exercise. Minimax followed both prompts with incredible accuracy. The best part? Workout videos like these usually cost at least $60 each with a license, but with Minimax, you can generate them for free. How amazing is that? Before we move forward in the video, I want to share an idea with you. Since I have a partnership with Minimax, their team regularly reviews the comments on all my videos about the platform. They use your feedback to make improvements. Here's the thing. If you leave a comment on this video requesting Minimax to increase the free 100 credits, which allows you to generate 3 videos, to 200 credits, they might actually consider it. So don't miss this opportunity. Drop a comment below and let the Minimax team know you'd love to see those free credits doubled to 200. Alright, in this fourth example, I took a single image and tried animating it in 3 completely different ways. And guess what? Each animation turned out amazing. Let me show you how it worked. In the first example, I used the prompt, woman and man arguing with each other, and saying something meaningful. My goal was to animate this image in a way where the two characters are seen arguing in the video, just like they're in a real heated discussion. Take a look at the video. It's spot on, exactly how I imagined it. In the second example, I used the same image with a new prompt. The woman in the image becomes sad, starts crying, turns back, and walks away. My goal was to animate the scene so that the female character shows sadness, starts crying, and then turns around to walk away. And just look at the result. Her sad expressions, the way she turns back, and the character's consistency throughout the animation are simply amazing. However, there's a slight issue here. I mentioned in the prompt that only the woman should be sad, but in the video, both characters end up looking sad. That's something you can fix, and I'll explain how in the next example. Alright, let's dive into the third example and see what it has in store. In this example, where I used the prompt, women in the image become sad and start crying and turn back and walk away, men on silent mode and keeping silence. This illustrates a few key rules for using Minimax effectively. First, let's talk about the male character. In Minimax's old version, lip sync animation is automatically applied, but here, because I specified men on silent mode and keeping silence, the male character remained silent throughout, with no lip sync at all, exactly as I wanted. Now for the female character. While I mentioned start crying in the prompt, the animation didn't show visible tears. However, her expressions clearly portray sadness and emotional hurt, which is still quite impressive. Finally, the walk-away part of the prompt was executed flawlessly. The female character turned around and walked away just as described. This shows how Minimax handles emotions and actions, even if not every detail matches perfectly. With the right prompt structure, you can achieve highly tailored animations. This update includes smoother, more natural motion, expressive animations that adapt beautifully to any art style, and enhanced stability to make the creative process a breeze. Whether you're an artist or an animator, Minimax opens up a whole new realm of creativity. Minimax's latest update has made content creation incredibly simple, allowing us to produce next-level animations with consistent characters effortlessly. I've got some exciting tutorials planned, where we'll dive deeper into these fantastic features. Oh, and great news! I requested 7 days of unlimited access from Minimax to fast-track my video production, and they said yes. So, get ready for even more amazing content coming your way soon. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching.